The Yamaha Tracer 7 is a middleweight, sport touring motorcycle designed for riders who want a versatile machine that balances performance, comfort, and practicality. Built on the foundation of Yamaha's popular MT-07 platform, it features the same 689cc parallel twin CP2 engine, renowned for its smooth power delivery and strong mid-range torque. This makes it equally suitable for daily commuting and long-distance adventures, offering a mix of agility and efficiency that appeals to a wide range of riders. Its compact size ensures it's approachable, yet still capable of handling spirited rides on winding roads. Comfort and ergonomics play a big role in the Tracer 7's appeal. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and adjustable windscreen contribute to a relaxed experience, especially on extended trips. The seat is designed to support both rider and passenger comfortably, while the chassis geometry provides stability at speed without sacrificing maneuverability. Yamaha has carefully crafted the Tracer 7 to ensure that it can adapt to different riding scenarios, whether it's a short city trip, a cross-country tour, or a weekend escape through mountain passes. In terms of equipment, the Tracer 7 comes with a lightweight tubular frame, LED lighting, and a modern TFT display for clear and easy-to-read information. The suspension setup, with adjustable forks and preload adjustable rear shock, allows riders to fine-tune the bike according to their preferences and load. With strong braking performance and efficient fuel consumption, it proves to be a practical companion for those who want a bike that does not compromise between fun and functionality. Yamaha also offers a range of accessories, such as paint and comfort upgrades, to further enhance its touring capabilities. Overall, the Yamaha Tracer 7 is a motorcycle that embodies versatility and accessibility, while still delivering excitement. It offers a well-rounded package for riders who want one bike that can do it all, from daily use to adventure touring. Its balance of power, comfort, and agility makes it an excellent choice for both new and experienced riders who value practicality without losing the thrill of motorcycling. With its sporty DNA and touring-friendly features, the Tracer 7 is a strong contender in the middleweight sport touring segment.